Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Hotmail phishing warning issues in 2026. So if you're seeing security alerts, suspicious email warnings, or blocked messages in your inbox, yeah, this guide will help you secure your account step by step. First, if you see a phishing warning, do not click any links or download attachments. Some emails are designed to steal your login information. Next, report the email as phishing or junk. So this helps Microsoft improve filters and protects your account from similar emails in the future. Now go to your account security settings and check recent sign-in activity. I mean, if anything looks unusual, secure your account immediately. If you suspect a phishing attempt, change your password right away. Use a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols. So yeah, enable two-step verification for extra protection. This makes it much harder for attackers to access your account even if they get your password. Finally, check inbox rules and forwarding settings. Phishing attacks sometimes create hidden rules to redirect your emails. And that's how to fix Hotmail phishing warning issues in 2026. Once you secure your account, report suspicious emails, and enable protection, your inbox will be much safer. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Hotmail and Outlook security tutorials. Hey,